always best to take all the water out, suck it out. That way when you move the toilet, you don't have water running everywhere. Try to tap only the area where the screws are. You don't want to break the entire toilet, just that small area. Be careful not to cut yourself grabbing the pieces of porcelain. Grab your gloves and then you can move the porcelain. It was so hot in here, it felt like 95 degrees. But you can't say anything. That's the customer's preference. Just deal with it. This was a brand new toilet seat that I had just installed in the morning. Put the toilet in a bag. I learned this a while ago, and if the water drips, it drips into the bag and you won't have a mess at the end. Also the wax ring, it won't stick to the floor. Area under the toilet, remove the wax ring, remove the old screws, and in this case there was a big gap. There was like a 2-inch gap in there. You have to use spacers, which I did, and I added the 2 wax rings.